Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer. This is the part 4 of Stone's objectives. So let's start the session. Question number 151, geologically marble is known as. So stones are classified basically in three categories, right? The first one is geological, second one is physical, third one is chemical. So in the geological condition, in geological point of view, the marble is known as metamorphic rock, right? And most of the metamorphic rocks have polydated structure. You need to remember this as well. Chemically, marble is known as, and chemically it is known as calcareous rock, right? And kaolin is chemically classified as, it is classified as argillaceous rock. Quartzite is a metamorphic rock and siliceous rock as well. But if you see in the book, the answer you get is siliceous rock. So this means the answer here is asked is chemical classification. Basalt and traps are extrusive igneous rock, right? They are the magmas are cool in the surface, right? Sandstone is a sedimentary rock, fragmental type, right? And limestone is sedimentary, stratified and aqueous rock, but not a metamorphic rock. Pegmatite is an intrusive igneous rock. Laterite is argillaceous rock. And granite, mainly composed of quartz and feldspar particles, is obtained from what? It is obtained from igneous rocks. Gneiss is obtained from, so if you see in the book of Harvard, the answer is given as a sedimentary metamorphic rock. I don't know the main reason behind it, but you need to remember option number D is the answer. Next question, dolomite is a limestone which contains carbonate of magnesia up to 45%, right? So dolomite is CaCO3.MgCO3, right? The color of statutory marble used for sculpture work is white. The rocks having alumina or clay as their major constituent are known as argillaceous rock, right? Chemical classification. And the hardest rock is diamond. The hardness number is Mohs hardness is 10, right? And this is the Mohs hardness is, sorry, the Mohs hardness is 10, right? Quartz is 7, talc is 1, and marble is around 3. The softest rock is talc, right? Because Mohs hardness is 1. The specific gravity of marble is, the answer is 2.72. If you see here in the book, 2.72. And if you see other books, you may also find 2.65 as answer, but the answer is 2.72 here. Single is water-bound pebbles, right? Decomposed laterite is not the answer. The rock generally used for roofing is it is known as slate. The answer is slate. Good quality stones must be durable, be free from clay, resist action of acids, all of the above. The answer is it should be durable and it should be free from clay and it should resist action of acids as well. A good quality stone absorbs water less than 5%, right? The answer is 5%. The rejected if the water absorption is more than 10%, right? So the answer is B. Stones used for ornamental work it should be soft so that we can carve it easily, right? The stone used for rubble masonry it should be hard, right? Stone used for construction of retaining walls must be heavy. The answer is heavy. In stone masonry, stones stratified rocks are also placed at the direction of pressure to the plane of bearing is. They should be right angle to each other, right? In stone masonry, if stones are so placed that their layers are parallel to the direction of load, they split easily, are affected by moisture, both A and B. So if the load is parallel to the stratification, they will split easily as well, and they are also affected by moisture. So answer is both A and B. In arches, stratified stones are placed so that their planes in the arches are radial, right? The tendency of stone is to split along. They will split along cleavage, right? The answer is cleavage. The rocks which are formed due to cooling of magma at a considerable depth from Earth's surface are of considerable depth, that is plutonic rocks, right? And if the shallow depth, relatively shallow depth is considered like in this question number 181, the answer is hypobasal rock, and dolerite is an example of hypobasal rock. The rocks which are formed due to pouring of magma at or surface are called, it is known as volcanic rock, right? For example, basalt and trap. Pick up the plutonic rock from the following. Here, the plutonic rock is granite. And pick up the hypobasal rock from the following. The hypobasal rock is dolerite. And pick up the volcanic rock from the following. The volcanic rock is basalt. Question number 186. Pick up the rock which is not a sedimentary rock from the following. So gravel is a fragmental sedimentary rock, and the same is sandstone. And for the gypsum is also a sedimentary rock, but dolerite is a hypobasal rock, right? So this is not a sedimentary rock. So our answer will be dolerite. The polyted structure is very common in, so metamorphic rock generally have polyted structure, right? The rocks in which argillary clay predominants are called, that is, argillaceous rock. This is chemical classification, right? In a rock, calcium carbonate predominates. So calcium carbonate predominates, that is calcareous rock, right? Example, marbles. Question number 190. Rock contains only one mineral. It is called monomineralic rock. Pick up the monomineralic rock from the following. So here, quartzite is a monomineralic rock. Pure gypsum is a monomineralic rock. Magnesite is a monomineralic rock. But granite is not a monomineralic rock, right? Granite is a polymineralic rock. So we see here A, B, and C are the answer. Here, if you see here, quartz and chemically pure gypsum, magnesite are examples of monomineralic rock, and basalt, granite, etc. are examples of polymineralic rock. Pick up the correct characteristics of pyroxene from the following. It forms octagonal crystals. It converts to chlorine by hydration. Its density is 2.3 to 3.6 gram per centimeter square. Its hardness is 5 to 6. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Chlorite or green color mineral is mainly derived from the decomposition of what? Ozite, biotite, hornblende. The answer is all of the above. We see here in the ozite, it changes to chloride by hydration, and for the chlorite, it is mainly derived from decomposition of ozite, biotite, and hornblende, right? So all of these are answered. So our answer will be all of these. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Hornblende mineral is brittle. Muscovite is also known as white mica and potash mica. Biotite is also known as black mica. All of the above. The answer is all of the above, right? You can see here, muscovite is a white mica, biotite is a black mica. Pick up the correct statement from the following. The distinct plane of division along which a stone can easily be split is known as natural bed of stone. The natural bed of sedimentary rocks is along the plane of stratification, and natural bed of igneous rock is not defined. So answer is all of the above here. We have already discussed this question as well in the previous parts. Pick up the correct statement from the following. In stone arches, so this is also discussed. Stone arches radial, cornice is vertical, stone walls horizontal, right? So all of these are correct. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Acid test is done to find out the weathering quality of stones. This is correct. Attrition test is done to find out the rate of wear of stones which are used in road construction. This is also correct. So Devil's attrition test, right? Crossing test is used to find the compressive strength. This is correct. Impact test for the toughness, right? So everything is correct here. So answer will be all of the above. Smith's test of stone is performed to find out presence of soluble matter. Multiple times we have discussed this question because this question is important. Question number 199. Durability of flinting stone is affected by its what? Everything. Chemical composition, texture, resistance to atmosphere, location in stock. So everything affects durability of building stones. Doris testing machine is used for what? Hardness test, right? If you see here in the hardness test, it is used in it is placed in Doris testing machine, right? Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.